That's it. Hey guys, it's me, Miss Hot Heel. So I had all intentions on filming a video for you guys outside, and well, it's raining. It's raining.
Downpouring.
Yeah, it's downpouring. So I might have to scratch that idea. So when I say it's raining, I mean like it's raining bad. Like if I were to go off of my porch, you would just see me get covered in water instantly. Layla, get up here. So yeah. So no outdoor video today. So instead of the outdoor video, I'm still outside. I'm just not by my house. So I'm trying to think of a new plan for this video. Oh, guys, alright. So, trying to fix my hair a little. So, you guys, Layla, go inside. Leave me a comment down below of things you want to see in videos. I may or may not have become addicted to TikTok, aka Musical.ly. So I've been using all my ideas for 15-second videos over there, and I kind of don't know what to do over here on YouTube land. What song? What song? So my sister just told me to sing a song, but I don't think my voice is that good. And also, I don't want this channel to just be me singing covers of songs. Yeah, but I love Hallelujah. So I'm gonna sing it for y'all in the rain. I heard there was, wait, hold up. Scratch that, reverse that. I heard there was a secret chord that stayed in play and pleased the Lord. And it goes like this, the force of it, the might of all, the middle, the powerful king, the powerful hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. So, guys, this is a weird video. I'm going to try to edit this together because there's multiple clips. So if you see it, then you can look. I'm going to finish. Yeah. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Alright, give me my phone. Alright. This is a very weird video. I hope I can edit this together the way I want it to, so it makes sense. I have a video editor on my phone, so I'm going to attempt it. Yeah. So I did my outdoor video like I was planning, a different way, and now I'm just soaked from that little singing dance session I just had in the rain. So yeah. So, because I just sang and danced in the rain for y'all, don't forget to leave a like, leave a thumbs up down below, a comment if you want to tell me something, and if you're new here and you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when I upload, hit that little bell. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I am failing at doing my outro. Okay. Attempt 2. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.